Hello you guys, we are back again with another tutorial. Today's video is sponsored by the ULAHAIR company. They have sent over some Burmese curly bundles along with their lace closure, and let's not miss the quality and the waves of these bundles. I love it. And this is a 5x5 HD lace closure that they are including to make sure that the hair all matches all over, so you don't have to worry about trying to mix in anything at all. As you can see with these raw bundles, they look just like it has been cut off of someone's head. I love the pattern, and I like the fact that the waves aren't so defined together. They give it that extra oomph whenever you are putting those waves in, especially when you go in to wet it, and you will see that look later in the video. They will include a card with all of their information on it. When you open it, they do give you a nice little thank you message, and they also give you rewards for sharing your reviews on their website, and you can scan that QR code on the back so that you can make sure that you shop with them, and they give you all of their terms, directions on how to use the hair, wash the hair, take care of it, and they will give you a bonnet along with your purchase. I do love when brands include all of their signature items. They go that extra mile to make sure that you're satisfied, giving you gifts to show you their appreciation for shopping with them. And you will get a melt band so that you can make sure that you take care of that lace and keep that lace down. And they give you a wide variety of selections, so go ahead over to their website and shop with them. So now I'm going to go ahead and begin constructing this wig. So you're going to go ahead and use your T-pins to anchor this lace closure down. And I did go in and pre-bleach this lace closure beforehand, and this closure did bleach very, very fast. As you can see, I did over bleach just a tad bit, but that can be fixed. When you go in to begin sewing down the lace closure, you will always start at the back of the lace closure first, and this hair is a little bit big, so you are going to have to clip that hair away. And you're going to sew this all the way around. You're going to start from the back, go around the sides, and go all the way to the front of the dome cap. And you'll do that all the way on both sides, making sure that you stitch close together so that you don't have to worry about the lace closure buckling. Now I'm going to go ahead and begin laying down my tracks, and I'm going to start off with their 20-inch bundle. They did send me the 18-inch, 20-inch, and 22-inch. Anytime that you have curly hair, it's going to look a little bit shorter than what it is because of the wave pattern, but do not be alarmed. Whenever I am using bundles, one way that I like to test to see the quality is when I am unraveling it. If when you unravel, the hair begins to tangle, that may be a red flag for you, but I did not experience any tangling and shedding at all with these bundles. They were amazing. Like I said, they are very, very thick. The density is beyond my expectation. And again, make sure that you go and purchase from the ULAHAIR website. They have so many options, and I'm going to be using my 30-second bonding glue to construct this wig, and you are going to go in a U-shaped motion, and this is going to be throughout this entire wig all the way up until you get to the lace closure. This is a very easy wig to construct, so you do not have to do anything spectacular or go, have any advanced skills. This is very, very easy to do. Now that I am done laying down all of my tracks, I'm going to go ahead and show you how this looks. And this hair is big. Honestly, if you do not like thick hair, you may could get away with only using 2 bundles. But I did go in and use all of the bundles because I like thick hair. But this hair is amazing and it's very soft and shiny, and it gives a very natural look. So if you're one of those girls who love that big hair look, this is definitely the hair for you. So I'm going to use my continuous fine mist sprayer to put water on the hair. This is going to help me to mold down how I want the hair to lay, and also it's going to help you to be able to tweeze, because I am going to tweeze just a little bit along the hairline because it is a little bit thick and I want it to be a little bit more customized. So you can just get your tweezers and tweeze a little bit. And if you have not ever tweezed before, you can maybe go online and check out one of my other videos on how I tweeze and customize my lace closures. This video is strictly for showing you guys this here in the process, but for the concept of tweezing, plucking, and customizing, I do have a video on that in one of my other playlist video lists. So yeah, you're going to go ahead and tweeze that out, and you can tweeze it to your liking. I'm going for a more natural look. I want it to be a little bit thinner. I did like how it looked straight out of the pack tweezed, but I did not like it when I got ready to mold the lace closure down for the styling, because I am going for a more of a no part look, and then I will do a middle part look just to kind of show you the versatility. And I'm going to be using foam wrap lotion to help me mold that hair where I want it to go. And you can use any foam wrap lotion that you like. Y'all already know the ones that I like, and this is the one that I'm using. So you're going to go ahead and mold that hair in place where you want it to go. It's no particular right or wrong way to do this. You're just going to flow with it and do it the way that you want to do it. And you can do a side part, middle part, whatever kind of part, curve part. It's any, any kind of way that you feel like styling it, but you will do it with the foam wrap lotion. And I always like to use a fine tooth comb to comb it out. So all you're gonna do is just kind of comb it out. It should be soft. And if you are a big hair lover, then you can you can probably get away with it looking like this, but I love it. The hairline is gorgeous. So now I'm going to use my TGI bed head. What I'm going to do is just kind of go over it. You're just going to go over the roots just a little. And be careful, because this is invisible lace, HD invisible lace. This part will be cut in a way. That one came out pretty easy. So you're just going to remove it. And again, when you have that tape on your canvas, it's more easier to take it off. So now you're going to cut the cap from underneath the lace. So you see that pocket on this unit, it's easy to figure out what you're cutting off. So you can put your hand in there so that you do not mistakenly cut the lace off. And you're just going to follow along. And you want to be careful, kind of make sure you're watching. Do not get too close to the thread either, because sometimes if you cut that thread, you can see it there. If you cut that thread, it's coming loose. And this is what you should have when you're done. So I'm going to try and take this off. Okay, so now I'm going to pop this on. I'll be right back. And again, this hairline is amazing. Okay, so I have the wig and I'm going to put it on and it blends. You cannot see the lace and it doesn't even have lace tint on it. So all I'm gonna do, and it should be a snug fit. And it fits just like a glove. And again, like I said, whenever you are doing wigs for clients or for you, make sure that you use the correct number so that you can get the perfect fit every time. But this curl pattern is the bomb.com. It's the bomb. Okay, so now I'm going to cut my lace, and I'm going to be using a eyebrow archer. So this is what, let me clip this back. And you can cut this corner off. So this is what I am dealing with. And you can go in and put your makeup on these tabs. Okay, so I'm going to comb it all out. And you can kind of, okay, I'm going to get my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, so this hair is super huge, and all I did was I went and put some of my foundation under here. So yeah, this is some big hair. I'm going to tame it down, but just wanted to show you guys the pattern before I wet it. Okay, so now I'm going to do a middle part, and you can style this however you like. It is a 5x5 lace closure. I'm going to just do a simple middle part with this hair. I love how the scalp looks. So I'm going to part it, and I'm going to show you guys. So I want to show you guys how it looks. You part it, it looks just like scalp. Okay, so now that I took it off. Okay, so now that it's off, this is my middle part. I'm just gonna try to straighten it. So I'm gonna use my TG wax stick, and I'm just gonna go in these areas just to kind of lay it down, because I am going to go in with my hot comb. So I'll go ahead and spray this side on it, and you can use any kind of leave-in conditioner that you want. Try not to get too much heat on that lace. That's how you train that hair to go in the direction that you want it to go. This is how she looks on a mannequin. Just in case if you're doing it for someone and you don't want to try it on, you can put it on a mannequin just to kind of see how it would look. But I like this little natural look here. It is a little bit crooked. But you can do a side part with this as well. Like I said, it's a 5x5. The hair is amazing, it's pretty. So I will link all of the information to this hair. And just to kind of kill some of that frizzing through here, just put some more foam lotion here. And this will kind of help flatten that out. A little comb it through. But you can go back and define your part, but I'm just going to wear it like this. And this is the final look. I love it. It looks very, very natural, and this can be worn as an everyday look. So make sure that you go and order yours. All of the information will be in the description box. And again, this video has been sponsored by the ULAHAIR company.